What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be running the downspout and the sump pump line out to the side of the yard because their house is on the corner, as you can see. So we're going to run the downspout down here, 90 it straight down, going all the way. But from the back of the house, we are going to be running the downspout from the back left of the house, behind all the pool supplies and everything, come down, 90 straight down, 90 across, in front of the AC unit, tee the sump pump line into it, come across with a T, so that way the downspout in the back come across, tee straight down, and goes straight out to the street. Now to get started. Here we go. Got it all dug out now. Under the sidewalk, all the way to the house. Gonna have things coming from that downspout, going down, teeing into over here, and going out to the street. Gonna have the sump pump come down, tee into the line. We're gonna be starting over here in the back, on the back left downspout, going all the way down and around, tying in the sump pump, and going out to the street. And all of you for watching, thank you so much, much appreciated. Because we've been live streaming this entire process, so everyone can see how not easy it is, but it's still good to know for all those DIYers out there. So next, time to pipe it up, get the level, and then backfill. And it's right now, I have the downspout and everything tied in. Before you actually glue all this, you want to make sure you dry fit it. This is dry fitted right now. That way I know it's going to fit when I go to glue it. Because after you glue it, you're screwed. You can't take it apart, you can't do anything with it. So please, make sure you do it the right way first, dry fit it, before you actually glue it together. There we go, and the sump pump had just kicked on. Missed it. As you can see, all the water goes, comes in, flows, come under, come out, and out to the beach. Here we go, this is the finished product. Pop-ups right here, the water's gonna come out, facilitate over the curb, come out, and go down to the nearest storm drain. Everything is connected in, as you can see, all the way to the back downspout. Let's go ahead and show the level on it. As you can see, downhill to level. Come around here to where everything connects to. Come right here, downhill to level, and of course, going straight all the way. It's completely downhill to level, all the way to the street. Now, time to backfill and show everything how it works. Just like that. And here we go, it's all done. As you can see, the water comes up, facilitates out, goes over, drains all the way to the closest drain, as the storm drain happens to be over there. So now there's no more issues at all whatsoever. We have the sump pump tied into. Right now the water is coming out of the back left downspout, going in all the way under the ground, tying in. So this downspout that comes across, comes down, comes out, and goes right there. Grass looks like this because the homeowner is having more work done, so he didn't care about the grass being fixed. Otherwise, it would look beautiful. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. And until the next one, guys.